Hello. Broken gear can be pretty annoying, and unfortunately some pieces break a little bit more frequently than others. A very easy to break one is the hotshoe connector of the Godox flashes, as it is made mostly out of plastic. The good thing is there is a very inexpensive replacement part. And I remember when I got my first one, I was quite lost because I was unsure when it broke whether I would be able to replace it myself. And actually it's pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is unscrew the 4 little screws that are on the bottom of the flash that connect the hotshoe to the flash itself. The good thing is that the screwdriver comes straight with a package of the new shoe. So you don't even need to get a matching one. That's pretty much it. You just disconnect, make sure you don't lose the screws. And then there is the connector in there. You just need to pull it out softly. Take your new one and just pop it right in. It's pretty simple. I just need to find the right orientation, pop it straight in, press so it's really well connected, and then put the new shoe on. And connect your 4 screws. Just screw them back in. And there we go. It is advisable to have the flash on, but no batteries inside, just to be sure that there is no residual charge in the flash that might shock you. The good thing is that the new one is a metal shoe. So it's not only a replacement, but actually even an upgrade. I hope this helped, and in this case, see you next time.